What'd you do, Wyatt?
Spilled strawberry milk
Where?
right there.
On the carpet?
Yep.
Alright, you better say thank you to Mr. James at Superclean because he sent stuff for us to clean it. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, so depending on the application, you gotta dilute this stuff, this degreaser. It's really strong. We're gonna do it inside. The dilution guide says like 16 parts water to 1 part Superclean or something. So I'm gonna move this to a different bottle, which is a little inconvenient with this already spray bottle they sent, but you know, this is gonna work great for other applications. You can buy a big jug where you're just mixing it anyway. So I'm gonna save this to mix future degreaser in for sure. All right, I diluted it here in this old Febreze bottle, but this here is Superclean degreaser. All right, dude, you ready to clean your mess?
Yes.
All right, you go right on the spots. Soak it real good and thoroughly. Okay, once you feel like you have it nice and wet, we're gonna let it sit for just a second. We're gonna hit it with this fancy drill brush here. You can order these on Amazon. There will be a link in the description, along with Superclean and everything else. You just literally drill brush the spots that you're trying to get out. If it soaks it in too good, spray it some more. You just keep doing this until it's nice and wet and it looks like the spots are getting removed. There we go. That's the kind of look we're looking for right there. All right, assistant, over here. Then you need an extractor like so. Fire it up. Come on. Keep it nice and flat and pull nice and slow. Move your headlight. Slowly pull all that dirt and grime out. Look at you go, dude. Look, ready? Look how much you're getting out of there, dude. There you have it. Now you just let it dry and you got yourself a clean spot. So this whole rug needs to get done, so we'll probably work on that right now. Well, there you go. No more stains, no more nothing. Nice and quick and easy.